So today I wake up early and I came to my institution, and this institution is closed, and now I'm sitting the terrace, and today we are going to learn about something new that we haven't read yet, and I'm going to show you how class run, and later on, if possible, if I get chance to meet the content creators, so if I get chance to meet them, I will meet them and I will learn something new today. And I'm thinking of doing a better content creation. I really don't know how to create. By the way, I'm excited. I wake up early, I came here and I start shooting. I don't know how to shoot, but I try my best. And okay, let's see what happens today. So guys, we are in class now, and here is no one right now because I came early. And here are my things. Here's my laptop and here's my bag. And like about 10 minutes from now, there will be class. The fourth day of this marketing. And okay, I will show you the clip of how the class runs, and then I will meet you after my class. Here is a studio that I like, here is a studio that I will show you. I will show the clip of studio too, and this is what it is going on right now. Everything is going well. Okay, so then see you later.
When you dream, do you see beautiful rays of light shimmering, guiding you through the night? I know it feels like the night's getting longer and light is harder to find. I promise I'll always be there, I'll remind you when you close your eyes. If they said for me tomorrow, even if I leave.
Guys, I'm in bathroom, and yeah man, here later on here there's going to be a shooting, and I'm not going home today. I'm not going at hostel because this is opportunity to see how the content creation works, and this is kind of opportunity, so I'm not going today. I'm not going home until I see, and I will show you the clip how it looks like, okay? And there are people I want to conversate with them a lot. There are literally full of educated people, bro. Like, if I'm able to acquire the knowledge from them, it's so much better. Okay, I will see you later then. I spend my whole time looking, those expert people. Like, it was super nice, and I exactly. I didn't learn, I didn't actually physically learn, but I see a lot of things, and I understand a lot of things, and that's awesome. I like that. Like, I'm even thinking that from tomorrow I'm going to stay whole day there, staying just and watching them, and like seek for an opportunity if I get, which is gonna be super great. Like, about the branding thing, I'm gonna tell you about something. Like, the branding is kind of hard for me, I guess. because you have to use a lot of mind in branding, and like that branding is like, oh my god, you had to think a lot of things. You had to make sure a lot of things that you had to give clarity. Like I never have thought about branding ever in my life, and like I was gone there and I was like, suddenly make a plan about a brand you want to create. Like, oh my god, what should I do about this? Then like, man, then suddenly they tell me to create a brand, and how would I create a brand? The person who never ever thought about a brand. So guys, it was great, the class was awesome. Like, man,